Hello, welcome back to the channel. My name is Adam Berry and today I'm going to take you through how to do a pause squat. Now a pause squat is an excellent, nope, that's not going to work for us, is it? Let's make that a little bit higher. A pause squat is a really useful exercise for the legs, as it combines a bit of isometric work combined with obviously just normal exercise. Right, yeah, I like to keep things simple. So the pause squat, what you do is you're going to find a normal squat position, so feet just slightly outside the hips, and you're going to stand up nice and tall, keep your chest up nicely, and all the normal rules for the squat apply. And then what we're going to do is we're going to squat down like so, get down into parallel, that's nice, and then hold this position here. And hold this position here for a count of 4 to 5 maybe, and then this is the key. When you come up, push through the heels. If you don't push through the heels, it's going to be an awful lot harder. So let me take you through that again. I'll show you the side angle here. So we're going to do a squat, and as always with the squat, we send hips back first, we come down and we engage into parallel like so. Keeping the back nice and straight, leaning forward in the hips ever so slightly, hold that, and then to stand up after you're done in the pause, push through the heels, squeeze the glutes, and come up like so. If you don't push through the heels and really push into the floor in order to come up, then we're going to end up with a slight forward tilt and you're going to hip hike. So you'll come here, pause, and then if you just try and stand up, you're going to do that. I've over exaggerated that obviously, but that's what we're trying to avoid, because a hip hike disengages all of the muscles that we're trying to use, which is here, push through the heels, and you come up all at the same time. And that is a pause squat. How long should you pause for? It's entirely up to you. Really doesn't matter. But I recommend maybe 3 to 4 seconds, or count beats and up. You know, I prefer working with beats as opposed to actual seconds. When working with clients on exercises with pauses in and stuff like that, I just think it adds a better rhythm to the exercise. Right, I hope that helps. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace, love and protein. High fives and positive vibes.